We've got another bounce test coming up, so be sure you watch till all the way to the end. I did not think that BCAN could make a better rebounder than the one that I bought, and then they went and made a better rebounder. So they did send this one to me as a gift so that I could put it together, try it out, and give you all of the great features about this. There are 3 distinct features that this rebounder has that I have not seen in any others, and I have done my research. So I want to show you the first one right now. Okay, lots of rebounders have this pole with handlebars that you can hang on to while you're jumping for stability and balance. However, this one has a phone holder. And when I used my other rebounder, I was following along with some YouTube videos specifically for rebounding, and I had to put my phone on the couch and then I couldn't really see it. It has this adjustable here, so you can make it taller or shorter depending on your height and what is comfortable for you. It is a little bit curved, and then this is also adjustable. You can make it vertical or horizontal depending on what you're watching. Maybe you're watching TikTok videos, or maybe you're following along with the YouTube video. So nice. I think this, well, is this my favorite? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, now let's look at really cool feature number 2. The rebounder on the left is 38 inches. The one on the right is 40 inches. That 2 inches really makes a big difference in your space. Okay, feature number 3 that I absolutely love. Let's go look. Okay, here is feature number 3 that I absolutely love. When I took this out of the box, all of these bungee cords were already in place. All of the other rebounders that I've seen, you have to actually put a lot of these on. And they're hard to do because those bungee cords are hard to stretch. You have to have a special tool. Now this one did come with the special tool, and it came with some extra bungee cords. So in case you needed to replace one. But no, they all came already in place. So that was so nice. It took 2 of us to do the last one. So the fact that these are already here, amazing. Couple of other really cool features that I want to tell you about outside of those top 3 unique features is that it comes with these green bungee cords as well. So although when you take it out of the box, it has all of the black bungee cords attached, you can switch them out for the green. They will give you a different type of bounce. And what is this? Let me show you. This rebounder comes with 2 pairs of these special socks. They're very soft, very stretchy, and they have this non-slip feature on the bottom. So sometimes when you are rebounding, it can get kind of slippery. So it's nice to have this non-slip feature on these very soft socks. So when you're on the rebounder, a lighter bounce like this is going to be best for lymphatic drainage. And then if you want to go a little bit more aggressive like this, you're going to get a little bit more of a cardio workout. And here I'm showing you, you can use the handlebars for balance. Remember, there's a phone holder there. And the 38 inches was plenty big enough for me to use the rebounder. Setup and assembly was very easy to do. There's a lot of really great features about this, and the size is perfect for small spaces. This is a great rebounder, and it is an upgrade. Like I said, BCAN did it again. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any other cool product videos like this.